welcome to Samantha in Seattle. It is hailing outside right now, even though it is a gorgeous April day. So I'm going to be putting together this little greenhouse that I bought. It's so cute. Let me show you. Okay, so here it is, and it says no tools required. So I've gathered up the pieces and I just put this part together, and here's all the pieces on the floor. It's so simple and it's so cute. So I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to put together. Okay, so I've got the bottom, here it is, and I'm just going to simply snap in the pieces like this, and I will have myself a mini greenhouse. Yeah. You want to say hi?
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Can you say howdy?
Howdy.
All right.
Howdy.
So there it is.
So pretty.
Yeah. Hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys along with me to plant the seeds. So I'm just trying to get my motivation like one step at a time, because gardening is just one of those things where if you don't start early in the year, you miss the window. So I'm so excited.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Okay.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me.
So I am going to be using these plastic Tupperwares that are just from the Dollar Tree. It's already about to start raining again outside, but I'm just glad that I'm getting all this soil in all of these containers, because it's a messy job, obviously. And then I'll just take this back inside and sow my seeds. Now this soil does have fertilizer in it, and it's indoor and outdoor soil. Last year I had the nicest start, and then I can't remember what happened, but they just ended up all dying, and it was so sad. They were like really strong, and this should be enough soil. So I'm just gonna smooth it around.
Are you done?
No, I'm not done. I'm just getting started.
My face is freezing cold.
Oh no, it is getting chillier in here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig my little holes and go.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
I'm telling you, the weather here in Washington can be bipolar. The sun was out, and then it turned dark and cloudy. Now it's hailing. That's all right. That's okay. I'm gonna plant seeds anyway. I am gonna go ahead and put my hair up though, because I do not need to be looking like I looked earlier today, right? Yeah, I'll just kind of go over like the types of seeds that if you live in the Northwest, well, Washington where I live, kind of around the Sound, March is the time to plant the ones I'm going to show you in just a moment. Okay, here are all of the ones that I can go ahead and plant for where I live. You can see tomatoes, green beans, cucumbers, spinach, carrots, pumpkins, corn, peppers, peas, broccoli, sunflowers, onions. I think I'm gonna do the pumpkins and the little cups here. How many pumpkins? I want a nice little, you know, maybe a couple rows of pumpkins. That would be awesome. I'm thinking like 8 would probably be good to just kind of get the feel of going to a pumpkin patch. I just love going to pumpkin patches in the fall. Who doesn't, right? If you're a mama, like, is the pumpkin patches not so much fun? Open up these bad boys here. Okay. So that's it. It's really that easy. We'll just do 1 seed, I think, per cup. I have faith. These are the seeds that these came from a patch last year. I saw some seeds on the ground and I just like gathered them up, and I'm curious if they stayed good for the last 6 months, and we'll see if they're gonna grow or not. If you guys don't mind, if you've made it this far in the video and you like it, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and it would help my channel out. So I want to show you one more tip. What I did was I put all of the seeds for March and April in this bag, and voila, it just makes it a whole lot easier when the time comes around next year. I don't have to even think about it. I can just open the bag and put the seeds in. One thing to check though is your expiration, because some of mine are expired but should still be good. We'll see.
Okay, we already did that one.
Yeah, we already did that one, so.
I can't get mine.
Here, let's see.
Is that how much I need?
Hold on. You want to pour a little bit in this one?
No, you can pour a little bit.
You want to put your hand on my hand? so cold outside. Okay, I'm gonna go put these out there. So that's it. You guys have seen the process from beginning to middle. I still need to obviously transplant those once they're nice and sprouted. So I'm sure, I don't know, we'll see. So I might make a video, I might not. You know, it's really nice to just be in the moment, but if I get a lot of views on this video and people like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see a follow-up of me actually getting those in garden boxes around my property, I'll do it. But otherwise, thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Where's your ball? Go get your ball and I'll kick it. Go get it. And just like that, it's starting to hail again. Again. Look, you're bouncing off the concrete. I cannot believe it's about to hail again. Well, at least I got my job done, which was to get those seeds planted and put in the greenhouse. So I will take that as a win for the day. And I'm gonna take my hair back down just because, you know, like, why not? Look, I need to tone my hair again. Whoa. Okay, so one last thing I want to say before I go is do this. You could always go buy some for the following year and just ziplock them up or however, but it's always good to work smarter and not harder. So I figured I would throw in that little tip. Thanks for watching.